The victim, the fighter, and the limitless mentality. What does this mean? I consider every person being able to stay in one of these three status, which is the victim. The victim is literally the person who is always complaining, always suffering. Life happens to them. They hit everything. They have no control over it. So pretty much in fitness, oh, just my body is bad. My hormones, my bones, it's just difficult for me to eat. My genetics is like whatever, blah, 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 crying all day. In sales, it's just that I get shitty leads. It's difficult for me to find good offers. I don't know how to make this money. People are making it and I'm not. Crying all fucking day like a bitch. Then you got the fighter. The fighter mentality is the one that eats shit and he loves it. It's like, fuck, I'm in a shitty offer, man. Whatever, I'll make the best out of it. Fuck, it's difficult for me to make money, man. Good. That means that I have less competition. Fuck, my body's not the way that I want to look at, man. Good. I have to train twice. It's gonna be even more worth it. That is how it goes. That's being a fighter. You get all the shit from the own universe. Ooh, moment. But you grab it by the fucking throat. You submiss it into the ground. You beat the shit out of it, and you fuck it. And then you say, you know what? I'll do my thing. That's a fighter. All the bad things are happening, but you don't accept, you don't just settle for that. You constantly fighting so that you can get out of that. But this change from victim to fighter is the most difficult thing ever. Because being a fighter requires that you have to face shit, you have to have a lot of self accountability. It is so difficult, man. But it's also so worth it because once you pass through this, you get to the limitless stage, which is you won. You won. Okay? You have a good offer, you're making good money, you have a good body, you're happy about yourself, you're proud about yourself, everything starts to work out perfectly. It's like you're in this flow of like, I am a beast, I am awesome. This is clearly what you want to be, but the whole premise of this is that it's not sure exactly how it's called, but you know, in the cars, the thingy that measures the speed, you know, when it's like this, at zero is like you're a full victim. In the middle is like you're a fighter, and then it's like you're limitless at top speed, right? You clearly want to be here. But the thing is that in order to be here, you cannot even be 1 inch of victim. So if you find yourself complaining, suffering, bitching around, it's like, okay, keep doing that, and you will just never be in this side. So that's kind of like the premise of this concept I'm teaching you guys. But you also need to understand that this is constantly flowing, constantly changing. You have to dress yourself like, okay, I am here, I am here, I am here, I am here. Where are you right now? Where are you right now? Okay. And you need to address where you are and be like, okay, how can I keep going this side? How can I keep, and more important, how can I keep myself away from this side? Because this is shit. Complaining like a little girl is like not what Hunter does. You go, you fight, and slowly you end up becoming limitless. So keep in mind that the real status that we'll try to look for as a man is to be here. Not fully limitless, not fighting here. That you love your life, but you always have challenges and you're happy to face them. This is the perfect spot. This is the perfect speed that you want to have. Okay? Always strive for this. But again, just please understand the most important concept of them all, which is if you want to be here or here, you cannot be even 1 inch in here. So it's like if there's anything in you about being a victim, slap the shit out of you and realize that it is fucking killing you. Get out of the victim mentality. Go fully into fighter mode. The zero for you should be fighter mode, and then more. So a bit of a strange concept, but it really helped me and allowed me to become better because I don't accept for even 1 second to become a victim. The minimum thing is I am a fighter. So Hunter, become a fighter and strive to become limitless.